Tim Biggam of Options Insider is here to get our trading day started. Tim, wonderful to have you on the show. Hope you had a great holiday.
Absolutely. Thank you, Ange. You too.
So is today the day that investors should really begin to pay attention to the jobs number? Because, of course, it came out on Friday, but not a lot of traders were in town.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think not only today might be even a little on the light side as well, but certainly towards the end of the week as the big players get back in town. So we'll see if they really want to take this market out of this trading range we've been stuck in, it seems like, forever now.
Because what tends to happen on, say, a Jobs Friday that is leading right into the holiday? People just come in and trade the number, or they don't even show up, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. And a lot of guys square their positions off in advance of that, which is a lot of times you don't see a huge movement many times off of these numbers. So again, position squaring, and then everyone kind of heads out of Dodge, waits for this week.
Usually to the Hamptons. All right, now that we're back in town, let's take a look at a number of stocks that you are watching, including Netflix. Tim, is this stock due for a breakout or breakdown?
I think one or the other here. I mean, we've been kind of bouncing along this 97 to 98 level, it seems like, forever as well, similar to the market. Given the fact that we have takeout chatter on this name versus high valuations, I think at some point it's going to break out or break down big time. So I'm doing an option straddle where I'm positioning for either one. If it does happen, I think it'll be meaningful when it does. Timing, as always, is difficult.
So you just want exposure to Netflix, whether it moves up or down, so you can make some money here.
Exactly. I'm just looking for a move, kind of indifferent into which direction here.
Now, what about Twitter? Last week, traders were reading the body language of a Twitter board member as he was being interviewed on Bloomberg for clues about maybe an M&A deal for Twitter. What do you think about that? Reading the body language, we're down to that.
As an old poker player, certainly that can come into play, but, bringing it into the boardroom, I think, might be taking a big stretch here. But certainly Twitter is one that it held that 18 kind of level on a technical basis, and once it got going with that kind of chatter and momentum players coming in and big short covering, certainly the stock has been red hot over the past week.
Would you be a buyer of Twitter?
I think it's too hot up here. Down around that 18 level was looking interesting. I think now we've had almost a 10% move. I'd be waiting to, buy it on a dip if it drops back to the mid 18 level.
Well, thank you, and have a great trading day, Tim.
You bet. Thanks.